Hey guys, it's your best boy Nelson. Sorry that we're gonna go to Chuck E. Cheese, Copperfield, Texas today because it was raining. But don't worry, I'll go next Sunday, and my friend Andy will go Brownsville on Thursday. So, anyways, guess what? Tomorrow is our bowling tournament, and since tomorrow is our bowling tournament, and I will be helping my friend Andy read Yo Gabba Gabba Super Martian Robot the Dolphin from Share episode before we have to play Blue's Clues. Let's read, shall we read?
Let's read!
When you're in trouble, you need help. The Super Martian Robot Girl. Super Martian Robot Girl. Yeah. On a summer's day near the ocean, everything seemed fine until. What a great day! Oh, hello there, Dolphin. Friend of the sea. My ears! That was a horrible sound. I need Super Martian Robot Girl. Help!
Here I am to help. What
E
happened?
e e e e e e. My ears.
Help! There was this dolphin and he was like totally making this loud weird sound and it totally hurt my ears.
Yes, and I didn't like it either.
A dolphin?
My ears.
A dolphin. That's just the sound she makes when she sings.
Oh, she's singing?
Yes, that's right.
Oh my gosh, it's like totally start a band. Alright. My work here is done. Goodbye, everyone. And so the day say thanks to Super Martian Robot Girl. Super Martian Robot Girl. Yeah.
You're right, Fufa. That was a great story. Thanks for listening. I love Super Martian Robot Girl Fisherman just like Francine's dance party from Dance.
You're right, Andy. It's just like Francie's dance party from Dance. Subscribe, viewers.